So what'd you all think of the double fudge? Oh no. I threw my double fudge brownie on the ground and it's just melting into the carpet. Dang it. So what did you guys think of the double fudge brownie mystery? Just like my brownie falling on the ground, it's been very disappointing. Let's take a bite of my double fudge brownie and see how this tastes. I didn't wait. It's more like a chocolate lava cake. I didn't wait for it to be completely cooled. Wow. Lots of chocolate. Super duper chocolatey. My weekend is all booked. So, the double fudge brownie murder. What did you all think of it? I was a little on the disappointed side, to be honest. I do love this series. This is number 16 out of the entire series. I did read a bunch of them before. They're so good, except this one in particular was not my favorite. I mean, who knows? Maybe you'll love it. It's set in Lake Eden, Minnesota. It's this idyllic little town. There's this lovely little bakery and coffee shop that Hannah Swenson owns. She's this amateur little sleuth always stumbling upon dead bodies, and she's always able to solve the murder before the local law enforcement, which kind of puts her at odds with the local law enforcement. But what's new in a cozy murder mystery? Hannah has 2 sisters. She has her middle sister. She helps with solving the mysteries, and her youngest sister is now living with her back from college, and her youngest sister is helping so much with the bakery and helping her figure out who done it. These are quick little fluffy reads. I used to read these all the time with Mom before she passed away. We loved them. They were so good. So it was so sad that this was such a disappointing read for me. However, the brownies are very good. There is some exciting news in the Hannah Swenson world. She finally chose someone. Was it Mike? Was it Norman? I'm not gonna tell. You'll have to read to find out for yourself, or go read a spoiler if you really want to know. Tell me, guys, what did you think of the Double Fudge Brownie Murder by Joanne Fluke? This recipe, or this book, could be called a recipe book. It is chock full of lots of recipes that you can try. We have Moshi, the adorable orange fur ball that everybody loves. There's Mom, she finally marries Doc. That's not a spoiler for the book because it's written all over the back. We know that Doc and Hannah's mama are getting married. They head to Las Vegas, but the mystery doesn't happen there. It happens back home in Minnesota. And I am so sorry if you read a bunch of books just to get caught up to read this one, and you know who you are. I'm so sorry. On December 13th, we're going to read my favorite cozy mystery author, Reese Bowen, and we're reading The 12 Clues of Christmas. Yes, I've already read this book, so I'm going to read it again for Christmas time, and I'm going to make some sausage rolls. There's a recipe in this book for sausage rolls, and we'll have a nice Christmassy, cozy murder mystery to review. I know this one doesn't disappoint. This one's really good. Guys, if you've liked what you've seen here, consider subscribing, and thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.